Great speakers don't just deliver information. They speak with feeling. They connect with their audience. And one of the most effective ways to do this is by using word stress. I'm David Pope. My voice and presence coaching techniques have been delivered to business executives and legal professionals across Asia, transforming the way they speak. Now, I want to share these same techniques with you in my unique online video course, Unlocking the Power of Your Voice. One of the skills taught in this course is on how to stress your words correctly. You can use stress to draw attention to your main topic. Compare or contrast information. Focus the audience's attention on important words, or add emotion to your message.
Listen to my word stress in the following 2 examples.
I'd like to take a look at 3 areas that are in need of our attention: staffing, training, and above all, recruitment.
Notice I stress staffing, training, and recruitment. This is an example of drawing the audience's attention to the main topics.
You can do anything as long as you have the passion, the drive, and the focus. You can share my passion and enthusiasm through the words that I stress.
Stressing the correct words in your delivery is crucial to help your audience understand your message clearly. I teach this and other techniques in my online video course, Unlocking the Power of Your Voice. For more information about this course and others, click on the link in the description or visit allvoicetalent.com, where you can sign up for a free 6-day mini course that will give you some tools to improve your voice right away. You can also learn more about me and my one-on-one coaching programs, workshops, and webinars. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with all the voice tips I share here on my channel. I'm passionate about helping you wherever you are in your career to find a strong, confident, and authentic voice for work, for leadership, for life.
To check out this course, click the link in the description. Let's get started. Use your best voice with All Voice Talent.